Everyone can tell a story. We do it every single day. The problem comes in telling a great story. Hey, what's up you guys, it's Nichelle here, and tonight I am going on a plane to Denver with some of my friends, and I had a pretty interesting idea that I wanted to do with my Instagram story. Alright guys, we made it to Denver. It's like 5 a.m. We're going ice skating. Alright guys, so we found this piano thing at the city park. There's snow everywhere. This is so freaking crazy. Pretty difficult. The more often you ask what if, the more fully you can inhabit this landscape, flesh out its details.